Today, we are talking about something fun and profitable: 10 woodworking projects you can sell anytime. Whether you are an expert or just beginning, these ideas will inspire you and help you get creative. Let's get started. Rustic wooden signs. These are incredibly popular in home decor, featuring inspirational quotes, family names, or custom messages. You can use reclaimed wood for an authentic look or new wood with a distressed finish. Wooden cutting boards and serving trays. These items are kitchen essentials and make for popular gifts. Using hardwoods like maple or walnut ensures durability. Experiment with various shapes and sizes, and consider adding features like handles or personalized engravings to make them unique. Wooden wall organizers are both practical and stylish, helping people declutter their spaces. Designs can include mail holders, key racks, or multifunctional entryway organizers. Incorporate elements like shelves and compartments to maximize functionality. Wooden planters and garden accessories are in demand. Create a range of planter sizes, from small indoor boxes to large outdoor raised beds. Using weather-resistant woods ensures longevity. Wooden toys and children's furniture are timeless and appeal to parents seeking eco-friendly options. Items like building blocks, rocking horses, or small chairs are popular. Ensure all finishes are non-toxic and child-safe. Wooden home decor accessories add warmth and character to any space. Products can range from picture frames and candle holders to decorative bowls and wall clocks. Experiment with different wood types and finishes to create unique designs. Wooden jewelry and accessories have gained popularity as eco-friendly fashion choices. Items like earrings, bracelets, and pendants can be crafted using various wood types for different colors and patterns. Combining wood with materials like metal or resin can create modern, eye-catching pieces. Wooden kitchen utensils and gadgets. Creating items like spoons, spatulas, or rolling pins using food-safe hardwoods appeals to cooking enthusiasts. Unique designs and ergonomic handles enhance usability. Wooden pet accessories are a hit among animal lovers. Products like food and water bowl stands, pet beds, or leash holders offer stylish alternatives to plastic or metal items. Ensure designs prioritize safety and comfort for pets. Wooden office and desk accessories have become increasingly popular. Items such as desk organizers, pen holders, or laptop stands help create an organized and aesthetically pleasing workspace. Incorporating features like cable management can add value. These projects not only cater to a wide audience but also allow for creativity and personalization, making them perfect for selling all year round. Which project are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe for more woodworking tips and project ideas.